So we are talking about derivatives. Let's straight away take an example of put option. So let's say I am bearish about the market. मुझे लगता है कि मार्केट नीचे जाने वाला है and I am more bullish about Maruti. So I think today Maruti is at 6,500 and I think that the Maruti in next 1 month or 15 days or 1 week will go down to 6,000. Now, do I have an opportunity of earning some gain? And the answer is yes. But what do I do? Let's say, for example, I have got 1,000 Maruti shares with me, and currently it is 6,500. And my view is that the Maruti will go down to 6,000 rupees in a month's time. So, what can I do? I can sell 1,000 shares of Maruti at 6,500 and then buy them again 1 month down the line when the Maruti price would have gone down to 6,000. So this is one way of making the profit. Very easy, no problem. But where is the problem? The problem is that अगर मेरे पास 1,000 मारुति के शेयर्स हैं और मैं उनको ये सोच के आज बेच दूं कि भाई मारुति एक महीने में नीचे जाने वाला है, 6,000 रह जाएगा, तो मैं ये सोच के बेच दूं कि आज बेचता हूं, एक महीने के बाद खरीद लूंगा. अगर contrary to my view, instead of Maruti going down from 6,500 to 6,000, if Maruti goes up to 7,000, then what will happen? That means I would have missed an opportunity. So instead of earning a profit of 500 rupees per share, I would have incurred a loss of 500 rupees per share. So I still want to take benefit of this situation. So how can I take the benefit of this situation? How can I make how can I still make the profit? So what I do, I don't sell Maruti that I am holding. What will I do? I will buy a put option. And please remember permanently, when you are buying an option, whether it's a call option or put option, you are being long on it. When you are selling a put option, whether it is a call option or put option, doesn't really matter. That means you are short on it. So that is what you must remember. And that is what you must remember, because many a times these terms becomes very confusing. So if you are long, that means you have a bought position. If you are short, that means you have a sold position. That is what you should remember. And they are equally applicable for the call option as well as for the put option. Now, so I do not want to take the risk of selling 1,000 Maruti shares that I am holding, because though I am bearish about Maruti, but I don't know, my view can be wrong. So I do not want to get caught in that loss making proposition when against my view of Maruti going down, Maruti has risen up 1 month down the line. So what can I do? I will buy a put option. Now please remember what is a put option. Put option again is a right of what? Right to sell a certain number of shares to the option writer. That means the person who is selling you the option. So you have a right to sell certain number of shares to that person at a pre-agreed price, which is known as strike price. At a pre-agreed price, which is known as strike price, before the maturity date. Before the maturity date. Now that is the put option. So let's extend this example further. So I have bought a put option from this gentleman who is my put option writer. So I have bought a put option from him. It means what? It means I have bought a right to sell him 1,000 shares of Maruti at 6,500 rupees per share, which is the current price. तो मैंने उसको 6,500 की रेट के हिसाब से 1,000 मारुति के शेयर बेचने का उससे पुट ऑप्शन लिया है. Now what happens? As I expected, Maruti has really gone down 1 month down the line on the maturity date. On the maturity date, Maruti has come down to 6,000 rupees. So now what do? I will exercise my put option. So what will I do? I will go to the person who has sold me this put option and I will tell him I want to exercise my put option. So here are these 1000 shares. Now as per the agreed terms, give me 6500 per share. Now that person has to do it actually, right? That person, because he's under an obligation, because he has sold me a put option. So I am long on this put option, and the person who has sold me this put option, he is short on that put option. So his is sold position, mine is bought position. Let's go further. Now instead of Maruti going down, which I had anticipated, Maruti has risen up. So Maruti 6500 से 6000 पे आने के बजाय 1 month on the maturity date, Maruti has become 7000. Now what do I do? Very simple. I don't do anything. I just let the put option expire. It means what? It means मुझे कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. मैं जो ऑप्शन लिया था उसको एक्सपायर होने दूंगा ऑटोमेटिकली. It will be expiring automatically if I don't exercise it, and then I will have the opportunity of selling my 1000 shares of Maruti today at the spot price, which is 7000. So that is what, friends, you must be very, very clear about the call option and of the put option. So I am just summing it up. Basic strategy in the derivatives with regard to the option. दो चीजें हो सकती हैं, either you are bullish or you are bearish. So if you are bullish, what you will do? You will buy a call option. So when you are buying a call option, you are long. So please remember, long का मतलब है bought position, short का मतलब है sold position. As simple as that. गलती से भी ये मत सोचिए कि long means it has got to do something with the duration. गलती से भी मत सोचिए short का मतलब है it has got to do something with the duration. No, short and long has got nothing to do with the duration for which you have bought the option or for which you have sold the option. It doesn't have anything to do with it. Long simply means bought position, short simply means sold position. Call option means right to purchase. Put option means right to sell. If you are purchasing a call option, that means there is somebody who is selling you that call option. So you are buyer of the call option, he is seller of the call option. You are long on this call option, he is short on this call option. So you will buy a call option in case you are bullish about the market, in case you are bullish about a particular stock. You will, in case if you are bearish about the market, you will buy a put option. Put option means you have a right to sell. You have a right to sell. And when will you buy a put option? You will buy a put option when you are bearish. That means when you think that the market will go down or the index will go down or particular share that you want to purchase is going to go down. So if you are buying a put option, that means you are long on it. If you are buying a put option, that means you are long on it. It obviously means somebody is selling you this put option. That person who is selling you this put option, he is supposed to be short on this put option. So he has a sold position, you have a bought position. So this is, friends, I thought I would like to highlight very emphatically and with all of you, so that these doubts are clear in your mind completely. So if you have any doubt, any question, please ask me, else we will move forward.
So far understood.
Very good. So far understood. Very good. And what about you, Anil?
Yes, sir, you understood. Yeah.
Okay, good. Then you have then you have futures.